Hi friends, today's video is on expansion joint filler board. The filler board is used to be fixed in a raft foundation. Beneath the foundation, the expansion joint will be fixed. RCC concrete is casted on the inner side. After the fixing of waterproofing membrane of the raft foundation, wall will go along the side of the RCC concrete. To fix the expansion joint on the raft foundation, filler board is fixed before. The filler board is cut in the same size of the wall. They are very soft materials which can be cut into any shape easily. To fix the filler board along the wall, steel nails and washers are used which can be fixed through drilling. Now, RCC wall is casted along the side of the filler board. Thank you for watching. If you like the video, please subscribe to the channel. Share to your friends. See you in the next video.